Welcome to Future Nexus, where tomorrow begins. Imagine arriving at work tomorrow, only to discover your job no longer exists. Not because you made a mistake, but because artificial intelligence can now do your work faster, cheaper, and around the clock. This isn't a prediction about the future. It's already happening in companies around the world. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is already working in hospitals, banks, schools, factories, and businesses around the world. The speed of this transformation is unlike anything humanity has experienced before. Jobs that once seemed secure are changing rapidly. Businesses choose AI because it can process information faster, reduce costs, avoid human errors, and operate continuously without rest. But this raises a critical question. If machines become more capable every year, which careers will still belong to humans by 2035? Not every profession faces the same level of change, but experts agree that some jobs are far more vulnerable than others. Let's begin the countdown. At number 5 is data entry. AI can already organize, analyze, and process enormous amounts of information within seconds. Number 4 is customer service. Intelligent AI assistants now answer millions of customer questions every single day. Number 3 is repetitive factory work. Modern robots can now build products with remarkable speed, precision, and consistency. At number 2 is transportation. Self-driving technology is advancing rapidly, changing how people and goods move around the world. From deliveries to long-distance transport, AI is making logistics faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. And the number 1 profession facing the greatest transformation is software development itself. AI can already generate websites, applications, and software in minutes, but human creativity and problem-solving remain essential. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing every worker. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. Every technological revolution creates new careers. Artificial intelligence is no different. The biggest risk isn't artificial intelligence. The biggest risk is being unprepared for the future. So, how can you prepare for the age of AI? That's exactly what we'll explore next. The future won't belong to those who fear AI. It will belong to those who learn how to use it. Learning new skills has never been more important. AI literacy is becoming as valuable as computer literacy once was. Don't compete against artificial intelligence. Learn how to work alongside it and multiply your productivity. Human creativity, critical thinking, leadership, and emotional intelligence will become even more valuable in the AI era. Every major technological revolution has created more opportunities than anyone expected. Artificial intelligence may do the same. The future is not something that simply happens to us. It's something we prepare for today. Artificial intelligence isn't the end of human potential. It could become one of humanity's greatest tools, if we choose to use it wisely. The future is being written today. The only question is, will you be part of it? Subscribe to Future Nexus, where tomorrow begins.